If you're a parent with young children or a single with activities outside of work, it's easy to choose unhealthy fast food as a quick dinner to save time. This may be an easy choice to make, but the result can lead to poor physical and mental health if this becomes a habit. An easy way you can keep your weekly dinners nutritious, but still quick and convenient, is to prep for the week ahead. By cooking once and using the leftovers the next night can be a great strategy to save time. Try batch cooking several recipes at once. For food safety, meals can be stored for up to 3 days in the fridge, and the rest can go into the freezer. Good choices for meal storage are pasta salads, curries, bolognese, soups, roast meats, and jacket potatoes. Save time, money, and your health by using these easy tips to keep your dinner healthy during your week.